Hi, welcome to Kindness. This is Dave and Diane, and we live on a boat with our salty dog Zoe. Hi, we went to the Etang Lake. It was really cool. It's a volcanic lake, but the best part were definitely the monkeys. They were so cool. There was a guide that brought them over to us and let us play with them for a little while. I think you're really going to enjoy this. I know we did. We spent the day with our friends on sailing vessel Flying Fish. It was quite the adventure. We weren't sure we were even going to go because the weather was so bad in the beginning, but I'm so glad that we did. These guys were so fun. I hope you enjoy.